You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. Bitcoin is trading at 30.4k and market is at a very important resistance. And on the 4-hour chart, you see the market approaching the upside with this very bullish candle. On the 1-day chart, ETH at resistance as well. Is market going to retrace back down? We're going to see a breakout of this very level of resistance to the upside. And on the 4-hour chart, and Matic is approaching the upside right now. All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On the 1-day chart BTC, I told you that market is going to move gradually into this level of 29 and 31k level, and that is where the market is right now. I am not expecting any aggressive move to the upside. Like I told you in my immediate last video, I told you that markets should approach this very level, and from here we should expect retracement before continuation to the upside. Right now market is still moving to the upside, but expect the market to retrace very soon. So I am not buying where the market is right now on the 1-day chart. Rather, I am waiting for retracement to come into the markets before I will then buy again. If you look at the MACD, there is a very increase in momentum on the MACD histogram right here on the positive side, which also indicate that the market is going to move to the upside. But if you look at price action, we see this very bearish candle. You see market move 3 candles straight into this very level of important resistance right at this very area, and after that we have this bearish candle before this candle that is forming right now, and this is at important resistance. That also means that the BS have capacity to move the market back down a little bit before that very continuation that we are expecting in the market. So pay attention to the market retracing from where the market is right now to this very level of $31,000. This is where I'm expecting the market to retrace back and then continuation to the upside. This is what I'm expecting on the 1-day chart BTC USDT. And on the 4-hour chart here, if you look at this, is a very huge move to the upside, and market landed here, and this is a consolidation. Market did not actually retrace on the 4-hour chart BTC, and market is moving to the upside again. For me, I think there is no need taking a buy position right now, because market is going to retrace significantly. And not only that, this level where the market is a very strong resistance level. So what I am expecting right now is a good retracement. If I don't see a good retracement, then I'm not going to buy the market. So expect a retracement from where the market is right now, this very level of resistance to the downside before continuation to the upside. This is what I am expecting, and this is what I'm paying attention to. I am not saying that the market will not move to the upside. That possibility exists. The market can move parabolically to the upside. It happens most time in the market, but what I am looking out for, my own directional bias, is that the market should retrace to the downside, then continuation. And one thing that market do most of the time after a parabolic move to the upside like this, and this leads to consolidation, market can just move a little bit to the upside and then crash back down. Pay attention to your trade if you are entering a buy from this area to the upside, but I am not going to be in any buy position. And on the 1-day chart ETH, if you notice, I've been talking about the market moving into this very level of important resistance after a breakout of this area, and market do break out as expected at this very point. Say market breaks out, and after the breakout, market move into this level of resistance. Without a breakout on this level of resistance, then it is not necessary for you to take a buy position where the market is right now, because you don't take a buy position at critical resistance like this, especially on the 1-day chart on the higher time frame. So I am expecting this breakout to happen, and if we see a breakout right here on the 1-day chart ETH, expect the market to ride into this very area of $2,100 level on ETH USDT. This is what I'm expecting. That breakout is necessary for market to begin to push to the upside. And if you look at the MACD have started formation on the positive side with green bars, and the dilation between the signal line and the MACD line at this very area, which is also an indication that markets have capacity to move to the upside. If you see further increased momentum in the green bars right here on the MACD, then that also means that the market is still going to break this very area. But wait for that breakout to happen with a significant bullish candle that close above every other close within this area of resistance, which is very, very important. That will serve as a very good confirmation for you to take a trade for the market to come into this very level of resistance. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on the 1-day chart ETH, and on the 4-hour chart. You see the market begin to move a little bit right here. I am not taking any position for a buy to the upside right now on ETH. Rather, I am waiting for a good retracement. Once I see a good retracement, then I will buy. Markets have the capacity of moving to the upside before retracement, but what I am paying attention to is a good retracement before I can actually long the market. Another scenario that can play out on this chart is a little move to the upside and a big crash back down. So be very careful taking long position from this area where the market is right now to the upside. Pay attention to this very move to the upside on ETH. And on Matic, I told you that markets have capacity of coming back down into this very area, that is this level of resistance. If you look at it and if you're watching my video, you see this very level of resistance is very, very critical, which I talked about. And I said when retracement is going to come into the market, it will find this to be support, and that is the exact same thing we are seeing right now. Here is now support to the market, which was resistance at this very point, and resistance right here, and resistance at this very area as well. So markets have capacity of moving to the upside on Matic. Matic resistance is different from what we are seeing on ETH right here. ETH have a lot of resistance at this very area, but Matic, once this resistance was broken and market come back to retest the resistance, the capacity of the market moving to the upside is very, very high. Market begin to move from this very area. Then the next point where I am expecting the market to pause is this very area of support that will turn resistance in the future at this very area. And this very point is where the market moved drastically from in the past before this very correction. So pay attention to the market moving to the upside on Matic. This is what I am expecting. Do you think Bitcoin is going to break this very area as you see the market begin to push into 30.7k? Or we're going to see the market from here come back down? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.